SHEIN is here. That came in while I was frying my potatoes, so like it's soggy, it has like a little bit of oil. I had to, oh word, and I had to leave it and go like pick up, and it was delivered directly to my doorstep. But I'm gonna have like a video about the SHEIN haul, and I want to open it up and see, not try it on now, but I want to see what and what came. SHEIN is here. I can't wait to see. I'm supposed to do like a haul. This is pink. It wasn't pink when I ordered this thing. It was not pink. It was brown. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay. This is supposed to be a Jesus. This is supposed to be, no, you can't. This is supposed to be medium. How can I be using this? It's too big now. Okay, I know this one. This is what I'm really scared about, these jeans. If it doesn't fit, there's gonna be a big problem, very big problem. But yeah, I was really scared when it came to like the prices, because the size is rather so cute. It's my hair, I don't even know. Guys, please ignore this hair. I was supposed to do my hair yesterday, but I couldn't, so that's why I'm looking like that. So this is my SHEIN haul. You can see my Gorilla Snot Gel over there. But yeah, this is what I got from SHEIN. It's quite a lot actually. Not a lot, but yeah, you guys will see more details in the vlog. What's it called now? In the haul. Okay, so see my box of makeup, hair. I was trying to do like, see my attachment over there. Yeah, I have a lot of laundry to sort out. See I just came back from CVS actually. Hi, my loves. Today is Thursday, so today's like the 6th day. Chill, let me count. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, today's the 6th day, and let me just show you guys. You guys see how my skin is peeling, and my dark spots are less, like they are not as pigmented. I just had my bath. I haven't done like morning skincare, but I have used like the wash that they gave me. That's the only thing I put on my face. So I'm supposed to apply my products, and you guys don't understand the joy that I'm feeling right now. Like, look at my skin is coming through. You might not know where the skin is coming from. Wait for the main skincare video that I'm going to post after all of this is done. But yeah, this is just like an update for you guys, because I'm trying to vlog, because I cannot film like actual videos, so I can't put on makeup because my skin is peeling. At least until the skin is done peeling, then I can do light makeup because they advised, I was asking if I could do makeup. They said yeah, but like just keep it light. Do you get? So I'm really not trying to mess this up. I want everything to work out, so that's why I'm not doing makeup. That's why I'm not doing makeup. But yeah, so once my skin is done like peeling, basically the peeling is like to reveal my new skin and like take off dead cells basically. But yeah, once that is done, what's the next thing? I'm basically telling you guys how I'm going to like not be doing like YouTube videos, so just expect vlogs this season, just because I'm trying to minimize how I'm applying makeup on my skin, just so that everything works out. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can see, like you can literally see it. See, it's peeling, and look at the part that has peeled. It looks so clear. And this is just like what, 6 days. I'm supposed to see the doctor back in 5 weeks, so I'm pretty sure by 5 weeks the skin is going to be glowing. But anyways, that's just an update, so bye. I literally just got this. The hype about this is a lot. I want to see what the hype is about. Actually want to be taking more yogurt right now, not because of like anything too severe, but yogurt is actually probiotics, although I don't know if Greek yogurt is. I think they should be the same thing. So yeah, yogurt is actually like probiotics, and I want to be taking more probiotics right now, so I'm gonna be trying this one. I just got it literally. So yeah, hopefully it's worth the hype, because people hype this thing a lot. So yeah, I'm not sure about this one, if this actually still counts as probiotics, because this one is sweetened and all of that. So I think it would be good to just like go with unsweetened yogurts if you want to do like the whole yogurts. How do I explain it? If you want to just be taking yogurts as like based on its good properties, like the probiotic properties, I think then you should be going with like unsweetened one. I don't know, I'll probably do my research, but I got this because I've been hearing a lot about it, so let's try it out and see. My spoon. Let's try her out and see. Okay. Okay, now, not a fan. I am not a fan. Nope. Nope. Nope, this is definitely not my kind of thing. Should I just go for like more? I don't like consistency. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I'm still digging in. I think I might just have to like finish it, but with the hype that came with this, I was expecting it to be like a lot more sweet. High protein, no preservatives, 100% natural, BPA free. I'm not sure what that is. It says low fat, so that's a good thing, but it's so thick. But do I wait for it to like melt a bit? Okay, I think I should actually wait for it to melt a bit if I don't like the consistency. But yeah, meanwhile, look at my skin. A little update. She's doing really well. Hair has peeled off. Hair still has a long way to go. But yeah, I'm really impressed. Really impressed. Like, you know when you use products and you see like at least a very little change. I've never been seeing changes whenever I try products. So me seeing this happen and seeing that the dark spots are getting lighter day by day, it just makes me very happy. But yeah, I'm going to have this when it's a little bit melted, because yeah. And I'm actually just coming back from what this was called, my clearance. They hold. Apparently I have to go there now on Monday. Monday is like so far away, because I just wanted to be done and over with this. Get